Did you say the live lectures, right?
The live lectures is, yeah. I mean, I wonder what your thoughts were. It's great that you found the recorded lectures to be so useful. What do you think about the live lectures and in comparison to the recorded lectures?
Yeah, I would say they are all useful. It's just that the live lectures are more interactive, so you can probably pop up a question in the chat and it can get answered. Yeah, similar to the recording lectures, you can actually go into the WhatsApp group and also ask any questions. So I remember I used to ask questions about the dispute resolution drafting in the chat, and even other students would answer my question. With the live lecture, I remember there was one last lecture that we had, which was live right before the exam, where it was about probate, and I got to know a new information that I didn't have in my notes. And I was like, oh, wow. So I just added that bit to my notes. And I remember I was talking to one other student and she was like, yeah, this is my first time hearing this. So I was like, I couldn't afford to not have known that information because it was very important as well. So yeah, live lectures and everything, I would say very important.